I don't like my dog's birthday. She is already 9 years old. Everyone is happy, but I'm counting how many are left. How many more times will she wake up next to you? How many more times will he wag his tail? How long will I smell her? I'm imagining that she'll live to be 30, that she's not like everyone else, that death will change his mind. And at night, when everyone is asleep, I snuggle up to her and inhale the smell of her fur to remember what she smells like. And sometimes I start crying. Quietly, I don't want her to hear, because I can't bear the day when I won't have her in my arms, but her lifeless body. Do you feel sad on your dog's birthday? How old is your dog? Write in the comments.